Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about slicers in Power BI. A slicer in Power BI is a visual filter that allows user to segment and filter data dynamically in a report or dashboard. It enables users to select and view specific subsets of data by choosing values from a list, drop-down, or button interface, thereby enhancing the interactivity and usability of the report. So in this report I have two sorts of slicers. One is a date slicer and another one is a product inventory slicer. So first of all I'm going to show you what a date slicer does. So in this dataset I have 4 years of data from 2011 to 2014. Now it shows me data from 2011 to 2004, but I am going to drag the filter backwards and now it is showing me data for 2011 to 2013. I can choose whatever data I want to see and it will make changes accordingly. This is basically what a date slicer does. Now moving on to the another slicer, which is a sales inventory product slicer. We have selected all the products for now. This is the list of all the products we have in our inventory. But let's say if we want to see data for two products, which is ball bearing and bike wash. So it is showing me data for bike wash only. And now I want to see data for bike wash, but only in the year 2011 to 2012. Here you go. We have no sort of data in 2011 and 2012 for our bike wash product. So let's increase it to 2013. Here you go. We have some data for 2013. So let's select another product, which is all-purpose bike stand. And now I have all the data for all-purpose bike stand. I want to see data only for the year 2014. So I'm going to drag it to 2014 and now it is going to show me data for only 2014. So this is what a date slicer and a product slicer does. You can see the specific time range of the data you want or the specific product you want to see. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.